I have to leave the foyer on the 11th of February, that is in 2 days. And I've been getting a lot of threats also that if you don't go, we're gonna come for your kids, we'll take your kids. I was like, I'm working. The problem of the country is the housing.
Blessing Sajoa came to Luxembourg from Nigeria 9 years ago. With a permanent job, she now has a residence permit, which also means she must leave the ONA shelter. She hoped her income would help her find a home. Instead, housing is too expensive in Luxembourg, and with 4 children, she is often rejected. Her employer says attitudes towards refugees have hardened, and that many are now falling through the social safety net.
For me, it's impossible to accept that a family minister tells people they are responsible for where they live. That's especially true when the problem isn't properly acknowledged. 1 in 5, maybe even 1 in 4 people in Luxembourg are living in poor housing conditions or no longer have a place to live. And this is not just refugees, it affects many Luxembourgers too. In that case, I believe the minister has misunderstood their role. It is the minister's responsibility to make sure families have a roof over their heads.
Read the full story on rtltoday.lu.